How to install and set up OBS Studio in Windows 11. So I'll show you how to get started with recording in OBS. Now, first thing you need to do is load up an internet browser and then just type in OBS Studio and press enter. Click on this top website, which is obsproject.com. And then select your operating system. So mine's going to be Windows. And if you click on your downloads folder, you should now be able to see the setup file. So once it's finished downloading, go and click on this file. And now we can run through the steps to install this onto our computer. So I'm going to press next, click on next again, and press install. Now give that a few seconds while it installs onto your device. Make sure Launch OBS is selected and press finish. Now it's going to ask you whether you want to optimize for streaming or recording. So if you're using OBS for screen recording, click on the recording option. But if you're going to be using this mostly for streaming, you can select streaming from the list. Now go and press next. You can leave these options as their default and press next. Now go and press apply settings. Now before we get started, go and click on settings in the bottom right, click on output, and then scroll down to the recording path. Now this is where you want to automatically save your recorded videos. So if you click on browse, you can go and select a folder for all of your OBS recordings. You'll also want to make sure the recording format is set to MP4, then click on video from the left hand side. Make sure your base canvas resolution is set to 1920 by 1080 and also your output scaled resolution. This should match the base canvas resolution. For the FPS, I like to leave mine at 60 FPS. If you're experiencing any kind of lag, you can try dropping this down to 30. Now press audio from the left hand side and you'll see mic auxiliary audio. Click on the drop down arrow and go and select your microphone from the list. Once you've applied all of these settings, press apply and OK. Now before we can start recording, you need to click on the plus icon next to sources. You can then press display capture. Click on OK. Click on the drop down next to capture method and select automatic. Now click on display and go and select your display from the list. Now press OK, and as you can see, everything on this screen will now be recorded. So if you go and press the start recording button, this will now record everything on your screen. You can then press stop recording to finish the recording. To find your recordings, click on file and press show recordings. Now from this folder, you'll be able to find all of your saved videos and recordings.